So when I'm screen recording a video, right? There's something off about the sound. Like it's just fine at first, right? I recorded this for 55 minutes and then the sound is all choppy. I seriously don't get it. They're supposed to record the sound perfectly. I don't understand why it's doing this. So I feel like this is all for nothing because I really wanted it to fade out perfectly, but unfortunately it's this damn sound that I'm having problems with. So kind of delayed.